Hello, everyone. Today we will talk about ways to implement practice variability in skill learning or relearning contexts. First, what is practice variability? Practice variability is all about the 3D, the different things that could vary when you are performing a skill, whether it deals with the movement itself or the context that one is practicing that skill in. When it comes to the movement itself, the variability can be, as brought up in the textbook, different versions of strokes when hitting a tennis ball, or context, which could be a different spot on the practice field, or as in tennis again, the ball never being hit at you in the same spot more than once. Some examples in the textbook that were used are regarding force, and the other one is about basketball free throws. To sum those up, starting with the force example, it showed that compared to a group that practiced applying the same amount of force each time, the group that applied various different amounts of force got closer to the target number than that group that practiced applying the same amount of force in each trial. The practice variability in this is the different amounts of force used during the practice. The other example is basketball free throws, a group that only practiced free throws versus a group that shot free throws as well as shots from other spots on the court. The group that put up the shots from various different spots with did better with their free throws, and that is the practice variability. The practicing of different shots from different spots on the floor rather than just one spot. What this variability can do is really help with the learning aspect. The way that this happens is that it leads to more diversity, which leads to more errors, which then leads to more adjustment, so then you gain the knowledge of what you need to do to precisely get a skill done, whether it is a skill learning or relearning context. To sum it up, you just need to make sure that one version of that skill is not consistently used, but rather multiple versions of that skill.